Hi everyone. Are you running out of storage space? I am. So, I bought this big old wallpaper book, and it was full when I got it from Shelly at Crafting Mamas during her sale. And it's just in my way. Everywhere I put it, it's in my way. So, I came up with a solution. And I still have more in here that I'm going to need to take out and fix. But let me show you how I'm doing it. I was getting ready to throw out a box tonight, keyboard crackers, because we go through these things like crazy. But look at the spine on this bad boy. This thing is big enough, I think, to hold that entire book. And of course I covered it in wallpaper, and I lined it with wallpaper. But I came in and I just, when you cut it out, this is the actual size you end up with. So, yeah, I've got all these wallpaper samples here. I did put it in 4 signatures, Midori style, so that when I want something, see, it's just a piece of one that I had left over from the cover. But when I need something, I can just come in here and pull the one I want. You know, just like this, it's out. And, you know, it's not going to take me but a second. And if I end up with more wallpaper, which I don't think I ever will, I can just add them in, like, just slide them in. But yeah, I'm real happy with this because I'm just running out of space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get the rest of the book in here, and I think I can because look how wide mouth this thing is. I mean, it's a gap, so I think I can get the rest of it in here. I'll probably have to add some to the existing signatures, but I still have another space for a signature, and then I'll just put on here wallpaper. And I think I'm going to do this with a lot of my stuff now, is just keep my keyboard boxes, because I mean we probably go through 2 a week, and set them on the shelf just like this, and you know, I just grab it, look the color I want, and I may make some tabs to put in here that, you know, would tell me what category is where, so that I have all my colors together and I won't have to go flipping through every single page. I need to put some more glue in here and clamp it back down. But yeah, I'm happy with this. I am really happy with this because it's going to go from a bunch of books piled up to, you know, just having a neat little organized row of these. And looking at it, I'm thinking I can probably do the same thing with book pages that I'm saving for journals, and, you know, different papers, just put them all in keyboard cracker boxes, cover them up, and what I'll probably do is if I do book pages or coffee dyed papers, that's what I'll cover the box with. That way, at a glance, I know what it is. So here's a tip for you. Save your cracker boxes. They make great storage. And it's organized. It's not just sitting there. It's ready to use. It's cut to size. It's ready to use. You just slip it on out and go to town with it. So, that's what I'm going to do with them. And you're welcome to use the idea. I think it's going to cut down on my storage tremendously. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you soon.